It's been a really long time since I filmed. Life has been a little wild. Should we update? Like, what have we been doing? We've had something every weekend, let's just put it that way. And the weekends are when I film. And we did go on some trips that I could have vlogged, but they were like business trips for him. And so we were around work people. So it's just been wild. We've been to, since we've last spoke, I've been to Miami. Then we went to California. We've had 2 wedding showers, babies born. What else have we had? Where have I been? Oh, we went to New York with friends and we've just been everywhere. But now we are here. We're actually back in Miami. So my birthday is on Tuesday, on the 28th. And we came to Miami for a little long weekend trip. Just us pals. And we're going to film. So we're here.
We're here, babe.
Until Tuesday. And no real plans. Just hanging out in Miami. Got some sun today. Got in really late last night and just spent a little bit of the day in the morning at the pool. And anything else we want to tell them? There's an air show going on. So that's been loud but cool. What else?
That's about it. That's all, folks.
That's all, folks. Yeah.
Check back in later.
OOTD.
What's that?
An outfit of the day.
No.
You don't want to show them what you're wearing. Go back there. The lighting's almost. Okay, Franco's OOTD. Your shirt is from, I forget. Your pants are Lululemon. And your shoes are Kenneth Cole. Target, Wild Fable, Lulu's shoes.
We are at Getting Naked.
Yeah. No. Tell them what we did today.
We went to the beach. Then we went to Hyde Beach Club. We went to the Nap. We went to
Katsuya.
And then we went to the Clevelander. Katsua, the Clevelander, and now we're at Naked. And had a great time.
That's it?
And yeah, that's about it.
Okay.
Cheers.
They're not gonna be able to hear us. Did you just do that? Guys, it's day 2? Franco's ready to party. We are next to the club, laying by the pool.
Hey. I think it's right over here.
Hold this.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
What's up, world? It's hot.
It's hot. Hi. It is 1 p.m.
Jenna just woke up.
on Sunday. No, I didn't, but I just got moving, guys. It was a rough night for me.
Yeah, it was a rough night.
Loud. We didn't even go out, but we're just tired and
Had a lot of pizza.
had a lot of pizza.
Now we're gonna go eat some more.
We're gonna go eat, and we're gonna go to the beach.
Right by the beach. I think so. I'm not sure though.
You're holding it. Franco,
Yeah. What's up?
are you having fun in Miami?
I am. I've eaten very unhealthy. I think I've eaten very good, but I worry the amount of food that I've eaten and the amount of food I'm going to continue is not going to be the greatest. Oh, hey, speaking of...
Hi, guys. So we spent the day at the pool. We had a nice lunch at the Social Club. Would you recommend that place?
I would recommend that place.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. Oh, yeah. The Social Club was pretty good for lunch. Then we just hung by our pool hotel. And now we're just gonna go shop around a little. We don't have a dinner reservation until 9:15. So And it's like 5 o'clock now, so we're gonna go shop a little. And what else? And then we'll get ready for dinner. I think Franco is 100% embarrassed in my outfit right now. Let me see if I can show you guys. Yeah, he's probably really embarrassed. I am wearing leopard biker shorts and like an oversized tee. Are you embarrassed?
No.
Okay. I wish I could show you it like full length because it's pretty Miami of me. Wouldn't you say, Franco? Mm-hmm. It's pretty Miami. It's our last day in Miami and we are leaving later tonight, so we're just gonna spend the day by the pool. We're gonna go to Malibu Farm. If any of you have been to the one in Malibu, they have one here as well, and it's beautiful and right on the water, for a little lunch and just hang by the pool and relax until we go. Yesterday we had a really nice late dinner at a restaurant called Cicione's. I don't know if you could see that. It's good. It was just filling. We were so tired. We went at 9:30, so tired, went straight to bed after, and woke up pretty early this morning. So we're excited for a full day and to get home to our little puppy. We miss her so much. Yeah, so I'll chat with you a little later. You like it? You having a hard day?
It's like 4:30-ish. 4-ish.
Yeah. Okay. We're just relaxing until our flight.